Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to easily check out on Amazon using a gift card in 2025. Whether you have a physical card or an e-gift card, I'll walk you through every step so you can shop without any hassle. First, open your web browser and go to amazon.com. Make sure you're signed in. Just click the sign in button at the top right, enter your email, then your password, and you'll land on your Amazon dashboard. This is your hub for all your shopping activities. Next, hover over Account and Lists at the top right and click Account. In your account settings, look for gift cards. Here, you can manage all your gift card activity. To redeem a card, click Redeem a Gift Card and carefully enter the code from the back of your physical card or the email if it's an e-gift. Then, click Apply to your balance and your gift card amount will be added to your account. Now comes the fun part, shopping. Return to the Amazon homepage, pick your favorite items, and click Add to Cart. When you're ready, hit Proceed to checkout. At checkout, Amazon will automatically apply your gift card balance to your total. If your balance doesn't cover the full amount, don't worry, you can easily pay the rest with a credit or debit card. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly use your Amazon gift card to shop anytime. No confusion, no stress, just smooth, seamless checkout every time. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, up-to-date Amazon tips. Happy shopping.